Most of the cars students at Minuteman Tech work on are for paying customers, but recently they've also started working with a nonprofit called Second Chance Cars.
Kind of warms my heart to just see these cars going to a good place.
The nonprofit matches donated used cars to veterans and people getting out of prison, people who otherwise couldn't afford a decent set of wheels.
We've given away 10, 12 cars now. The momentum is building, but it is a community that comes together to make this happen.
I would have to get up really early. I would bike pedal 13 miles, do an 8-hour shift.
Coast Guard veteran Aris Lopez from Haverhill says until now, to get to his fast food job, he's been using a bike or a scooter, which took 2 hours, or Uber and Lyft, which ate up much of his paycheck.
Yeah, that just accumulates, you know, and I was pretty much just working. I was working to work.
Lopez found out recently Second Chance Cars had picked him, and today he came to the school to see the first car he's ever owned for the first time.
Oh, wow.
The 16-year-old VW Beetle isn't free. Lopez will have to pay $900, but that's about 1/5 of its estimated value.
I have options now. I can travel now, you know, with leisure. I can save so much money on transportation.
With a new set of plates, Lopez is also looking forward to taking his kids for rides, and most of all, to choosing which road in life he wants to take.
I feel like I'm growing up again. You know, I'm doing it on my own this time.
You'll recognize him because he has the biggest smile on Massachusetts roads right now. Now, Second Chance Cars says they're always looking for donated vehicles, and if you'd like to learn more about them, we've included a link to their website on WCVB.com and our mobile app.